So we just finished up this 2022 Tundra. You know, the 35s fit good, but so do the 37s. So this is a 37 12.5 on a 17-inch wheel. So I want to share that with you. Obviously it's got our new 3.1 preload collar lift in it. That's now patent pending. And 37 1250, 17 by 8.5 inch wheel. Obviously you can see the clearance back here. It is pretty close in the back here, but there is enough room back here without trimming it. We did pin the lower inner fender liner back there, but we didn't want to do any cutting. The only close spot on this is down here on the drop down front air dam that's in the front of this, but really that's it. So again, 37 1250s on this, looks really good, and just want to share that with you.